Let's assemble a small treasure box together and decorate the box with ribbon. I will put sugared chocolates inside, placed in an organza bag, but you could fill the box with any other type of sweets. To assemble the box, press on the edges. Keep pressing on the edges until the bottom of the box is secure. Fold in the rectangle flaps, forming the inner part of the box. Place the sweets inside and close the treasure box. Let's add ribbon now. Glue a wide decorative ribbon with hearts onto the box, like this. Then, glue a narrow red ribbon over the wide, decorative ribbon. Trim the ribbon as needed. Use a piece of the narrow ribbon to tie the loose ends, forming a pretty bow. You can start by forming a loop. Pull the loose ends of the ribbon through the loop and tie a knot and a bow. You could add a little tag with a short thank you note, such as, "Thank you for sharing our special day with us."